So it's time to get your hosting sorted out. And if you click my link in the description where it says hosting, this will get you the ultra low hosting plans. Very, very good discounts that HostGator is providing. It's up to you which plan you want to go with, or if you've already got hosting, skip this bit. But if you don't, I'd recommend one of them. Obviously the business plan is always going to be the best, but again, it's up to you. If you want to just play it safe, go with the baby plan, and if you're really not that fussed and you're trying the field, go with the hatchling plan. It's whatever you prefer. So I'm going to click on baby plan right here. I'm going to click buy now. Now, enter your domain. This is your domain name, so it's going to be whatever you want. In my case, it's going to be bstores.com, so I'll type in bstores.com. Now, I have already purchased this, so but that's what my domain is going to be, and then you just select whichever one. If you've already got a domain, don't worry about this, just miss it out. So you can see there's all different pricing, really cheap. If we scroll down, you can then choose your package type and the billing cycle that you want to pay. Obviously, the more you pay up front, the better the discount. And then you've got your username, and you'll put in a PIN, which is private to you, enter your billing information, and right here you do get a free SSL certificate. And all of this, it's completely up to you if you want this. Extra security is always really good, and I'll always recommend it, especially with e-commerce stores, but it's not an absolute must, so feel free to untick it. Back up your hard work. Again, backups are really important, but you can get free WordPress plugins for backup, so it's up to you. And then you can see your coupon code has been automatically applied. So once you've selected all these options, just press continue.